where's the camera? Okay, I'll come back. Because that's what happens. And you only have this much water, which I haven't drank any yet. I'm going to reward myself with a sip when I get to the tap.
So, we had to ditch Dad because we have no water. We're back at the stream that stopped us. And we're boiling water, and we don't have a drop. Dad's walking back about 6 miles. We don't know where he is still. But we're boiling.
We'll go find him.
Ugh, this is a day.
I'm not that thirsty yet. Oh, I'm less than 500 feet from the tap, according to the GPS. I think the boys are... Oh man, I hope Paul Reed doesn't go by, but I'm over here. That would be really bad.
What side are you on?
I found him! Did you try to shortcut?
I did. I thought I'll shortcut. I couldn't find the familiar spot. I filled this up with stream water.
I went all the way down to where we last saw you.
Well, the survival team's doing a good job. We've got a constant fire going for boiling water, so we're trying to process to fill these up. So far, being dehydrated, we're just filling our bodies. And this site where we have the sleeping bag, pretty unusual.
Okay.
Well, we're hiking 12 miles to McDermott for this morning, but we could not get across with our motorcycles. Wow, we've never walked across one. It's the first time to walk across a cattle drive. There's a little friend we met on the way. Got his black tongue out, doing his rattly thing. Well, it's around 10 o'clock, so we've been hiking for about 3¼ hours. And we got a lot. I'd say we walked at least 12 miles.
We've walked over 12 miles now. We can see a town out there. The first house we came to is abandoned, but oh well.
We go in here?
Coming up on a house.
No, guys, go up that woods and back towards.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep... I think you probably don't need to watch that right now, but let's that thing.
Whoa, is this a cherry tree?
Oh. We made it to the first house. Oh my goodness. But nobody seems to be answering their door. The wreath of Christmas has lots of cobwebs on it.
I don't think anyone's home.
There's so many.
These guys are here. Oh, me.
Hello.
Hey,
Oh.
hi. How are you? No problem. We couldn't get across the river. We didn't have gas to get out. One of them was like a boat.
There's a puppy
So we
here, by
just
the way.
walked 5 hours right now.
Oh, good, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and then we ran out of water.
There's a high road that comes up on.
Yeah, there's all kinds of roads, but when I'm not going to
Okay.
far away. We'll get Hi.
We found it right in McDermott.
Did you run a ranch?
No. To get out of there.
Well, we're going to have to, I don't know, just...
Okay.
Have the third one to a more accessible location. I think that would be okay. I don't know. For an adventure.
What is your forte? What is your major?
I'm a software engineer.
Software. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cut the antelope and deer.
There's our bikes.
There's two of them.
Two of them.
So there's no.
Man.
They must have washed out the beaver
Oh, if only we
Yeah.
could have done this. There's our fire
Our stuff
ring that
we
saved
threw all
us.
in the tent.
How you guys?
Hold
We
it all.
are
Man, this
really
is,
having
again,
an adventure.
Gonna be the best memories.
Do you want to go see about getting that other bike right now? Because you can ride them bikes across there.
Yeah.
You think we can ride them across?
Yes.
Okay.
What a delightful road.
Not too many people.
Alright, there it is.
He's a really good rider.
Your younger brother?
Yeah, he's my youngest brother.
Yeah, but
He's
he does
18.
have a lot of tricks, 'cause he thought that.
Okay. He's feeling. Oh, he just fell. Stop. The hill with no power, and we're gonna tug it up with a Jeep. I know that section's pretty rocky. I rode it a bunch of times.
Go real slow. Okay. This is just insane day. I think I maybe broke my foot, sprained my foot. Hurts a lot. But we're making progress. That's all that matters.
Well, I've never really moved in a shopping cart before, but this is the only motel, Diamond A Motel. They have HBO and Wi-Fi. Thank God it's done. We're at Canyon Honda in Nampa, and the bike has been repaired. Hallelujah.